Hey, what's going on, Jeff? I watched your video on the SOG PowerLock EOD version, and I noticed how you said that you were looking, or that you were disappointed that there was no kind of tools on the outside. Well, I was down at my local knife shop and looking to get one of those knives because it was one of those things that kind of intrigued me, and this is one of the versions they had. This is the SOG PowerLock Power Assist version. I also got the SOG leather case, but as you can see right there, it's the Power Assist. Now, the difference between this and what you have is that when you open it up, there's no tools on this side, only tools on this side. So you are losing half your tools, but in the same, you're getting a knife on the outside, where it's a power-assisted, cam-loaded knife. On this side, it's the straight edge. Locks in there very nicely. Unlock it, put it back in. Put the lock on it so you don't accidentally open it. And on this one, there's the fully serrated. So I mean, I decided I'd post this, show you, in case you ever wanted to upgrade from yours to something like this. Same thing as yours. This is a very, very nice multi-tool. I've been carrying this for about a week now, and just getting around to posting this. So thanks for watching.